another episode of Rose and Gold. And I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
As you guys know, today is the day for the Rose and Gold She's Hot contest, sponsored by none other than Playboy International. So, Dr. Ross, would you unveil our winner for this week?
So the winner of today is an Australian actress. She is a vixen. She's a 10 out of 10, Margaret Robbie. She's appeared in countless movies that you have all probably heard of. Wolf on Wall Street, Harley Quinn, Suicide Squad, Bombshell, I, Tonya, the list goes on.
Those are just to name a few.
Exactly.
But Miss Margaret Robbie, first of all, we'll change her name to MR. That's for you. Congratulations on your winning for the She's Hot contest. We will be in contact soon enough to tell you how to claim your prize. And Miss MR, we will soon be in LA, and we might run into you and have some lunch, brunch, or even some dinner. We'll have some cocktails. Make it virgin.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Let's get into our hot topics for today. Lay it on me, Dr. Ross.
So in the Bible today, we have Jaden Pinkett Smith. So, they went out on the Red Table Talk and they were talking their talk, and I could not help but notice how many times Jada Pinkett Smith tried to be sly with Will Smith and say entanglements instead of the actual truth. And then Will would say, "What happened?" And she said entanglements.
So that's what we're going to start with. This is a very personal journey.
Yeah.
That became very public.
In this episode of Red Table Talk, a series hosted by Pinkett Smith, known for its candid conversations, she let her husband ask the tough questions.
So what happened, Jada?
Following weeks of speculation, the superstars confirming that while the two were briefly separated, Jada entered a relationship with singer August Alsina.
What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, from this info that we're now getting, you can tell that obviously she wants to go back to the mystery lover.
Exactly.
But Will is saying that I don't want you to go back because then people are probably going to find out that I'm sweet.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good
having
morning.
me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Because people do know that Will is probably battling for the other side, and that's why 50 Cent, Snoop Dogg, and all of these other rappers are poking at him.
Boom! 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths.
Because Will, you were the first one to go out into Hollywood and start making big money with Hollywood. But now, everyone's caught up to you, and most people have passed you.
Oh, man. Everybody's celebrating New Year's nowadays. You notice this? It's a trend. Everybody celebrating New Year's. Yeah, I'm busy celebrating 2 years. 2 more years of Obama, baby, huh? Yeah.
No, it's 4 years. It's 4 years. He's not gonna quit halfway through. Well, why are you booing me? I'm right.
So, Will, keep doing you.
Exactly.
That's for you. Don't get too jealous. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
The only thing I wanted to say about that hot topic, one, is this is why I like Rose and Gold, because Black King Sebastian has a sense of humor, and people need to take some jokes from 2020.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
And second of all, Will Smith, you already know, you said at the Red Table Talk too that this is the type of marriage where you would take Jada back no matter what. And you could already see in Jada's crazed eyes, Jada was saying, well, I already went for August. Looks like I'm gonna go for every other month of the year now too.
Hey, bro. What?
Oh my God!
Now let's get on to our next topic. So Raven Simone. If you do not know, Raven Simone is a childhood actress, and she was recently wed to her new wife, and she is talking about changing her life and introducing the real her to the world, because apparently nobody knows who she really is.
Well, the future is here, and Raven Simone is totally wifed up.
Yep, that's me.
The 34-year-old actress revealed on Instagram Thursday that she and her lady love Miranda Madej are officially married.
What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Miss Raven Simone, or Miss Simone, you were great in your earlier films as a child actor.
Exactly.
Keep doing you. Let's move on to our next hot topic with none other than Nick Cannon. So
Yes.
Nick Cannon, he actually got called out by Viacom and got fired from his show Wild 'N Out because he was saying some rumors about on TV.
anti-symmetrical, racist kind of comments is what they were saying. But all we want to say about this is, not only that, Black King Sebastian, you and I already know, not only did they kick him off the show, but he is demanding that they give him the show and give him full ownership of Wild 'N Out, because he said he is the TV host and the producer and he deserves the show at fair rights. And not only that, Nick Cannon is demanding an apology from CBS, that they apologize to him and give him his show.
After Viacom CBS fired him for his perceived anti-Semitic comments during an episode of his Cannon's Class YouTube show. In a nearly 1,500-word Facebook diatribe, the television personality expressed how the company's decision has affected him. I am deeply saddened in a moment so close to reconciliation that the powers that be misused an important moment for us to all grow closer together and learn more about one another, he wrote early Wednesday morning, July 15th. Instead, the moment was stolen and hijacked to make an example of an outspoken Black man. I will not be bullied, silenced, or continuously oppressed by any organization, group, or corporation. I am disappointed that Viacom does not understand or respect the power of the Black community.
First of all, Nick Cannon, sit down, baby boy. Don't
Sit
act
down.
like you just had a Frosty and now you're craving for another one trying to take the whole machine.
Exactly.
Nick, you already have so much money and you already have so much going on. This is why Mariah Carey probably left you.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
But Nick, chill out. Sit down, baby boy. Know when you've had enough. Hogs get slaughtered, pigs get fed. Let's move on to our next hot topic with Katie Holmes. So they're saying that she is bringing back the Birkenstock. Tiger. Moving on. Our next hot topic is with Kylie Jenner, the one and only. She's saying, or they're saying about her, that she sparks anger after a restaurant staff claims that she left a $20 tip on a $500 meal.
It's a bridge. Just goes around the corner. Walking on the fighting side of me.
That don't look like it.
It
goes down.
It don't. It don't go down.
Robert, it goes down.
No, it don't.
It do go down.
Oh!
From playboy to playgirl. If you want to have playa status, you have to spend like a player. Because
Exactly.
even though you have a little bit of cheddar, Kylie, that does not mean that you have money etiquette. Because when I go out, because I will be in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, California soon, I'll bring out you and the entire Kardashian clan.
Nice.
And my brother is 13 years old and I'm 16 years old, and Black King Sebastian is constantly spending money, Kylie Jenner. And not only that, he's making money back to back. So even when we're sitting there, 13 and 16, you're not the only billionaire on the team, Kylie Jenner, who's in the race. Black King Sebastian and I are coming to you, but we still love you, Kylie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And all we want to say is, Black King Sebastian and I are obviously young. All of our agents, our managers, our staff, everyone that's with us, that takes us everywhere, we appreciate them and we treat them right. And you know, if you're in Beverly Hills, which we know you are, Kylie Jenner, the staff is impeccable. If you get $150 burger and give a $1 tip, that's not etiquette, Kylie Jenner. That's just not money etiquette. Maybe you need to stay home and eat your TV dinners or your Bojangles or Uber eat some Popeyes, because maybe that's what you and Travis Scott are accustomed to.
But Dr. Ross, enough of that. But
Exactly.
Miss Jenner, I'll take you out for some filet mignon sometime. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So for our last hot topic, we have Kelly Clarkson. What are your thoughts about this Kelly Clarkson? She was in the tabloids recently. What are your thoughts, Black and Sebastian?
First of all, Miss Clarkson, what happened? You look like you took a bit too much of the pure cane sugar.
Well, why you boring me? I'm right.
As well as your face has just jacked up now. You should have looked over the photo before giving it to the People magazine. But what are your opinions on Miss Clarkson, Dr. Ross?
You said it best, Black King Sebastian. That's all I'm gonna have to say. Kelly Clarkson, just start getting your look together. You left the other guy. You should be getting your shit together. Just like Katie Holmes and Megan Fox and all these other scandalous women, they got their stuff together. And let's get straight into Ask Dr. Ross.
Our first question is from an anonymous viewer, Dr. Ross. They are asking, if you get a bank loan, should you either come up and spend it on whatever you want to, or use it for the business?
I'm assuming that this is during coronavirus time, but first of all, thank you for the question. And second of all, if you can get a come up with this coronavirus money or the loans that you're getting from the banks, then have a come up. If you can get a couple cars, enjoy yourself. Make it work for you. Let's get on to our next and final question.
Dr. Ross, question. Miss Sherry is asking you, what do you think about Dak Prescott not signing the contract with the Cowboys?
First of all, I want to say, as always, thank you for the question. And two, Dak will get paid no matter how you slice this cake. He might not stay here, but he's going to get paid no matter what. These were all of our hot topics and our questions for Ask Dr. Ross, myself, and Black King Sebastian. Let's close it off with him, Black King.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Make sure to stay tuned for our Teespring merch, which is down in the link in the description below. We'll have new merch being posted about every month, so stay tuned for that. Our Jamaican hair gel and shampoo will also be coming in the link in the description below sooner or later.
Exactly.
But before we close this off, let's go into a recap of all of our latest and greatest winners for the She's Hot contest.
A new band is called Siskill.
Our quick recap will begin now. Our first winner was none other than Nicki Minaj.
The Anaconda.
Our second winner was Miss Tori Robots.
The Instagram model, but we want to say that she's going to eventually be a video game character or any type of cosplay.
That's right. Our third winner was Paris Hilton.
The billionairist.
The next winner,
DJ.
That's right, Dr. Ross. The next winner was the Kardashian clan. That's right, not just one, the whole clan.
Including Kris Jenner.
That's right, Mama Chris. Our next winner was the Down Under Hot Aussie Instagram model, the Abby Douse.
The Australian Instagram model, just like a Barbie doll.
That's right.
Nice.
Our next winner is Kimora Lee.
The Asian Persuasion.
And our next winner was Cardi B's little sister, Hennessy Carolina.
Even more scandalous than Cardi B herself.
The winner after that was Miss Noah Cyrus, the little sister of Miss Miley Cyrus, to continue on the trend.
Again, even more scandalous than her sister, Ratchet Miley Cyrus.
And speaking about the ratchetness and the scandalousness, our next winner was Miss Angelina Jolie, the queen of scandal.
Miss Angelina Jolie is the mother of scandal.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And we had Rosella Pernetti as our next winner for the She's Hot contest.
The fitness guru.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Our next winner was none other than the Megan Fox.
The scandalous Fox who left her husband to the curb.
Our next winner was Miss Larsa Pippen.
Larsa Pippen, Playboy model. We love you, Larsa.
Our next winner was Miss Lisa Rinna.
Another Playboy model. And not only that, you're a reality TV star, so you hit them in the gut.
Our next winner was Miss Cardi B.
Cardi B, we had your sister on here a few months back, but we could not forget you because scandal and scandal go together.
Our next winner was Miss Jennifer Aniston. A lot of people might say this is questionable, but she has the secret scandal inside of her.
Exactly. And Jennifer Anderson is a quiet, scandalous one. She's been watching Angelina Jolie.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And our latest and greatest winner was none other than, lay it down, Dr. Ross,
Margaret Robbie.
So congratulations on your winning for the She's Hot contest.
Exactly.
And remember, sponsored by Playboy International. We have one coming up for next Friday, and it'll be like that for the next few years. But we have them up for every Friday, so stay tuned for that.
Pretty much everywhere, it's gonna be hot. Try that?
Then I don't need a jacket. Thanks, Arthur.
Make sure to like, share this video to your friends and family, and make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell as well. We'll catch you guys on the next installment of Rose and Gold. That's for you, Kylie. We out.